This is actually the first year I've taken a few years off gardening just because of the lack of time and the effort in weeding and taking care of it. So this is the first year. I've been at this property 2.5 years. I was visiting with a friend one day out at his house looking at his garden, and he had kind of the same setup. He had some black stuff down and wonderful looking crops, and he explained to me that in order to keep the weeds down, he puts landscaping fabric down. I decided to give it a try this year. The garden's a little bit smaller than I'm used to, but 16 by 16. I made the mistake of putting my landscaping fabric down in the fall and winter, and I've fought wind the whole time, so that's one thing I would not suggest. But once I planted, I've got some tomatoes, I got peppers, jalapenos, habaneros are my favorite. I've got cucumbers and beans, banana peppers, and then just a variety of different tomatoes. And the crop has been fantastic this year. The weeding has been minimal. My biggest problem with weeds are right around the plant where I cut it. Real easy to pick. And then along, I put up a fence to keep predators out. Deer like to munch on the garden, raccoons, my cats, rabbits. I try to keep them out of the garden. A lot of people might not have the fence around, but that's where my main weed problem is around. So I think next year what I'm going to do is lay the fabric and also put some mulch around my fence line to keep that down. Over the years, grass clippings worked really well for me at my old house when I had a lawnmower that would capture the clippings. It helped moisture, maintain the moisture and keep the weeds down. That was fantastic. I have not tried mulch. I've seen it, but I haven't done it. But I'm going to incorporate into this setup next year. And basically, I built my garden with things I had around, so it didn't cost me anything. I had leftover landscaping fabric from, building the landscape around my house. So I thought, why not? Give it a try, I might as well use it. I have done less weeding this year than I have any other year with my garden. It's been fantastic. I would say the biggest challenge is keeping it down and coming up with a process to keep the fabric down. You could use stakes. As you can see, I've used all kinds of rocks and bricks and that kind of thing, and then I'm going to do it again next year. It's been so successful. Don't be afraid of it. It's not a difficult process other than keeping the fabric down. So do a little bit of planning, and I'm sure you'll be more successful than me.